Well, hi there. I'm Kristen, and I'm with One Focus Property Management. And today I'm taking you on the tour of 830 Avenue G in Danville, Pennsylvania. This is a cute and cozy apartment situated on the second floor of the building with 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and a lot of things that I know you are just going to love. So sit back and relax. I'm going to take you through this entire place. And after I do that, I'm going to tell you how to make this amazing place the next place you're definitely calling home. So let's go. So we are starting the tour outside today in this gorgeous Riverside section of Danville. And I want to show off the front of the house. Now you can see there's off-street parking here. You do get 2 spaces. We're going to come right up here on the porch and right through into the shared vestibule. And as you can see, the steps take you directly upstairs to your apartment. So we're going to come up here. There is a locked door up here. There's actually 2. And we are in the heart of the home. So this would be your living room, dining room combination. You have enough room to set up. I would say you could do your couch over there. Maybe put your television over here. Some high bar stools to just totally eliminate any kind of a need for a table. And that looks into this adorably cute and updated area here. You've got your full-size fridge. You've got your beautiful range there. And look at these gorgeous cabinets accented with that beautiful black backsplash. I also love this whole counter situation. Some high stools, cooking breakfast. I mean, it's such a treat to be able to kind of be in the flow of things with your kitchen and your living room. Now, before we keep on going, I'm just going to show off this extra area here. You can see that you've got stairs that'll take you down to the ground floor. Now, the backyard is exclusively for the downstairs resident, but you can certainly go up and down those steps if you would like to. Now, when we come back into this living room area here, I'm going to show off what's inside of here. You have your washer and dryer, so you do not have to go anywhere. You've got a hang bar and a shelf, and then you've got a light switch right over here. Now we're going to go into the first bedroom. These bedrooms are equal in size and they are massive. This bedroom does not have its own dedicated closet, but this will fit a king bed plus much additional furniture. It is nice and large. We're going to come over here to the second bedroom. Again, nice and large, king size bed all day long. Also, lots of beautiful natural light up here, which I am in love with. And then we've got a closet here with a hang bar, and then there's just some short shelves off to the side. And then last but not least, this delectable little bathroom. I mean, this ceiling, the crown, the whole vibe of the bathroom, it's so cute and cozy. Also, the black fixtures are out of sight. This is a nice deep bathtub. You've got all this shelf storage here. You've got a linen closet there. A perfect way to execute this, if you're really looking for style, a little tension bar and a cute curtain, it will look beautiful. And then you've got your vanity. I love this whole situation. A little bit of storage, throw some baskets down there and you're all set. And then last but not least, you have your toilet facility. There is plenty of room to put some kind of a rack over top of there. They make them every day, all kinds of styles. You could certainly get something that'll be like beadboard style that would match up to this expertly. Oh my goodness, this place is so cute and cozy. I mean, it's updated, it's bright, and the only thing that's missing is you. So what you need to do to make this the next place that you're calling home is go to our website at www.onefocuspm.com. You can look at our listing and be able to see all the information about the property. You can book your tour and you can even submit that application. If you'd like to talk to a live person today, give us a ring at the office at 570-505-3347. At One Focus Property Management, we pride ourselves in helping people just like you find that next place that they're calling home. So check out the website or give us a call today because we are anxious to help you make this one yours.